Hello learners, in this tutorial I am going to explain how to download MongoDB Community Edition database and how to install that software in the Windows operating system. Okay, so first of all you have to open the favorite browser and you have to type MongoDB Community. So then you can see there is a link for the download page of the MongoDB site. So it's the second link, so I will put that link in the description sections of this video. So simply you have to click on this um, link, then it will go to the download page of the MongoDB official site. So you can see, if you want, you can download the cloud versions. There are a lot of components available. So those components you can download, and on-premise versions, if you want to download the on-premise versions, you can download that on-premise version. And tools, you can see a lot of tools they have provided. If you want, you can download those, and mobile and the edge versions you can download uh, from this page. So in this tutorial I am going to explain how to install MongoDB on-premise version. So we need to go to that on-premise section. Then you have to select the versions and the other things, and also it will it has explained some detail explains about the MongoDB community server. So you can read out, and also there are additional components in the MongoDB community edition. So if you want, you can download those components also. Now I'm going to download this one. You can see available downloads. There are different versions available. I'm going to download the latest version. It is 4.4.6 current version, and also I have to mention my platform. It means operating system. So I'm going to install the Windows 10 operating system. So I have select Windows 10, but if you want, you can install in a if you want to install in a different operating system, you can mentions the uh, relevant platform or operating system. Okay, likewise you can download the MSI or zip file. So I'm downloading the MSI, so then you can click on the download button to download this software. You can see the download the MSI file is about 218 MB. So based on your network bandwidth, it will take some time. So once download, we will I will show you how to install that one. Okay, so now I think it has downloaded. So now I am going to the downloaded location. So you can see that file has downloaded into this location. So I am click on this MSI file and click on the install. Then it will open this installer wizard, and it will give this message. So this is the welcome window, and we are going to install MongoDB 4.4.6 version. So there is no any options to select. Simply you have to click on the next button to go to the next window. Okay, so I will click on the next button. Then you can see there is a end user license agreement. So there are a lot of conditions available, so you have to read out and you have to understand about this. Then Once you agreed, you have to click on the accept button, then automatically next button will enable. So you have to click on the next button. Okay, after that there are two setup types. So one is complete, other one is the custom. So you can select complete or custom. So when you are selecting the custom, you can ignore some components. So in this case, I am going to select as the custom option. Then click on the custom options. Then you can see those are the custom setups and the features we are going to install with this installation. Okay, so if you want, you can change the locations of the installation. So I'm not going to change, but if you want, you can change this location. Okay, then no need to change anything. So simply you can click on the next button to go to the next step. Okay, then there is a server configuration. So in this step, we are going to give the configuration as the basically the MongoDB we are going to install as a service. Okay, and also we are going to install this service as a network service user. Also, our service name is the MongoDB. So that service will enable in the Windows services, as well as there are two directories we have to mention for the data and the log. So if you install some data, then that location, the MongoDB server 4.4, in this location, it will store our all the data and logs informations. Logging details is stored in this log folder under MongoDB installation folder. Okay, so then you have to click on the next button. Then also in the next button, once you click on that next button, it will appear the MongoDB Compass. So it is a editor for the MongoDB. If you want, you can install that MongoDB Compass. It is a GUI tool or a query editor for the MongoDB. So in this step, I'm going to install that MongoDB Compass. In the later video, I will show you how to connect to the MongoDB database using MongoDB Compass. Okay, so then click on the next button. Then I think all the configurations we have given. So now we are going to install our MongoDB 4.4.6 version. To install, you can click on the install button and click on this button. Then you can see it is downloading and sorry, installing. Now you can see we have successfully installed the MongoDB current edition in the Windows 10 operating system. So in this window it will show. So to finish the installations, you have to click on the finish button. So successfully we have installed that software. So if you go to the installation location of this software, you have to go to this C drive, program files, then uh, there is a folder called MongoDB. You can see server 4.4. You can see data and the log folders, that informations you will data is available, and log informations it will store under this folder. So now we are going to show you how to connect to the MongoDB. So now you can see this is the MongoDB installation locations. If you go to the bin directory, then you can see there are a lot of exes available. So if you open your command prompt on top of this bin location, then for this you have to type in the address bar, you have to type cmd in the address bar. Okay, then uh, click on the enter button on your keyboard. Then automatically it will open the DOS prompt. Hope you can see my DOS prompt. Then if you type Mongo, you can see all the informations it has displayed. We downloaded and installed MongoDB 4.4 version, and we have installed in the Mongo localhost. The default IP is 127.0.0.1. Port is default port is 27,017. So those informations it has generate when we are typing the Mongo command. Okay. In addition to that, there is a Windows services. I will show these Windows services in on the Windows services menu. Okay. For that, you have to open your services Windows services window. So simply you have to type on the services in the search menu. So here you can see. Uh, Here. Here you can see that service is up and running. It means without up and running these services, you can't connect to the MongoDB services. Okay, so hope you have clear understanding about that MongoDB installations, MongoDB community installations on the Windows 10 operating system. So in the near future, I will show you how to create a CRUD operating and how to insert, how to create a database, how to insert data into the MongoDB collection, and those things I will explain with the future videos. Thank you.